In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript in Microsoft Edge. JavaScript is the technology that powers interactive features on most websites, like buttons, forms, and embedded content. If it's turned off, pages can look broken or incomplete. Let's walk through the exact steps to turn it on, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so it all makes sense. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots. That's the main menu. Click it, then choose Settings. This opens Edge's control center where you manage how the browser behaves. On the left-hand sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This section groups together controls related to your data and how sites interact with your browser. From there, find and click Site Permissions. Site Permissions is where Edge lets you decide what websites are allowed to do, such as showing pop-ups, using your location, or running scripts. Next, click All Permissions. This reveals the full list of individual permissions that you can fine-tune. It's a helpful way to see everything in one place and ensures you're in the right spot for JavaScript. Now, scroll down the list until you see JavaScript and click it. You'll land on a dedicated page for this setting. Here, you'll see a toggle for Allowed, which Edge marks as recommended because most modern websites rely on JavaScript to function properly. Switch the toggle next to Allowed to the On position. When it's on, it should turn blue. That's your confirmation that JavaScript is enabled for sites you visit. If this setting appears grayed out or says it's managed by your organization, it means your device's administrator controls this option and you may need to contact them to change it. Once you've turned it on, close the Settings tab. Go back to any web pages you already have open and refresh them so the change takes effect. Refreshing reloads the page with the new permission in place, which is especially important if a site previously looked incomplete or wouldn't load key features. That's all you need to do. You've enabled JavaScript in Microsoft Edge and should now see fully interactive pages. If menu labels look slightly different on your version of Edge, don't worry. The layout is the same, and site permissions will still lead you to the JavaScript toggle. You can always return to this page later to fine-tune how JavaScript is handled for specific sites if you need stronger control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother browsing with JavaScript enabled.